Engagement with the president today?
Well, we just brought in our newest member of the party, the All Progressives Congress, the person of Senator Bwacha, for Mr. President to formally receive him into the party, and that is what we have just done.
How did he receive him?
No, he was happy and delighted. For a ranking senator like Senator Bwacha joining APC from Taraba, it speaks for itself.
Yeah. Why APC, sir?
Well, I choose the APC because I know from the home front that is where there will be a level playing ground, number one. And then number two, the EB bridge, which had been awarded and work is ongoing, was awarded under President Muhammadu Buhari. Nobody from my senatorial district is not happy about this project because this has been our cry since the colonial days. And under his watch, the Kashimbila Dam project had been completed. So I had to answer to the calls of my constituent to join this party and redefine the narrative in Taraba State and restore its lost glory.
So what do you have to see going forward in Taraba State?
Well, going forward, I am calling on all and sundry to join forces together so that we can build a better Taraba, where governance will be seen as the hope of the people, and where development of infrastructure will be a key priority. Basically, that is my mission statement.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.